happen is very disheartening. So you need all the support that government can give you. All this, your demands here is not out of context. I think they are quite, to me, I believe that, you have very good reasons to make such demands. So, and it's really disheartening to hear about the numbers of children trafficked, and also to say some young girls are even, either we don't know whether they forced them into the baby factory or they went there willingly to get some, financial reward. Nobody knows, because it could be through financial reward, and like you said, is just a lot of ignorance going on with parents and with young girls thinking that, they can sell their babies to get some money. And I think is really very, very sad, and it breaks my heart to even think about that going on. But Nigeria is a country that is, the population, I don't think, is helping us. And especially with the resources we have to really teach people patience. The get-rich-quick syndrome that is really flying everywhere, even in our places of worship, prosperity preaching, and also it's not helping matters. It's not helping matters, and money cannot, even God, as a Christian, Jesus was saying, my Father does work, and I too have to do the work. That night comes when no man works, that when you are old or, so old, you might work little, but that doesn't stop you from working. So, and I think our young people have to be given a different reorientation of hard work, of patience. Even the Holy Book says you run the life's journey with patience. But everybody wants, social media too is not helping. I'm so glad that, you have links with international organizations that, that they're able to assist you in this matter. I pray I'm in a position to assist, but I think, you have a listening president who will listen to you. But only that where the money has to go is like, is wearing government so thin. We are talking about kidnapping, we are talking about terrorism in a different, there are people fighting terrorism and banditry. That's another department, which the armed forces are taking on with full force. But, what you are saying takes a lot of ignorance, especially people in villages. Even I've just done a broadcast for female FGM, female genital mutilation. So that one is done with UNFPA. So that one too is coming out. So we are speaking. I'd gladly like to speak for NAPTIP, whatever we can to really encourage. If people are listening to tuberculosis now, bravo, we thank God. We are talking on HIV/AIDS. We are also doing that. So we want to, speak, we want to speak up. Because enough of that, enough of our children being used that way, and why are they, so, some of us, we are from humble beginnings. We're able to push through, we're able to work hard. Whatever we can do to assist, we'll do in our own, in the little we can do, and in skills acquisition, we can help ICT training, we are partnering with people. But only that your victims are more vulnerable. You still have to do a lot of counseling for them. You have to plan their rehabilitation and how to also reintroduce them back to society. And so I think their training has to be different. So all those people that come to give us training and empowerment, RHI can also, if you have them at a particular location, we can organize for training and empowerment for them. It depends on your requirement, because we also partner with NIDA, for example, and Huawei. So Huawei would gladly like to do that. And then, in whatever way we can assist that is within, the confines of what we have.